my lovely viewers. My name is Chef T of Heartitude Kitchen Limited. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to be preparing peppered snail, especially for the, elderly people who do not want to take beef and all of that. So, we're going to be preparing peppered snail to go with boiled plantain and pepper sauce. It is going to be amazing. So, come with me as we get started. In washing this snail, you have to be very, very careful. Snails, they feed on sand. When they don't have food to eat, they can live on sand for as long as for years, only sand. So there is no how you would want to eat snail if you don't wash it carefully. You'll be feeling the sand by the time you start eating it. So what I do is I'll just do a bit of scraping, remove all this dirt. Especially this part that they're using. They're using eating. Then there is something here, viewers. The teeth. If you don't remove the teeth, it feels like sand when you are eating it. So I just chop off the whole. Look at it. Can you see it? That's the teeth of the snail. So if you don't remove it, when you eat it, it feels like sand. So I'm going to remove that. That's it. So you wash with alum very well. As you go ahead, I'm going to be teaching you how to get sliming entirely out of your snail. So when you are eating, you won't feel the sliming effect. Now we are ready to boil our snail. In boiling snail, you don't really need too much seasoning. You only need to add enough salt because the stock is not going to be useful for anything. But make sure you add enough salt because snail does not stay too long on heat. So when the salt is kind of over, it will quickly absorb the sweetness. So that you don't keep it on heat for too long for the snail to absorb sweetness. And because they're going to add enough water to cover it, so I can add some herbs that I've blended together. Here in this bottle, I have some herbs that I've blended together. Here I have scent leaf, I have cloves, I have Cameroon pepper, I have ginger and garlic, I also have parsley, and I have curry leaf, all blended together that I used to do emergency cooking like this. So I just add it to give it some nice taste instead of using curry and thyme. So it's going to go on heat now, and I'm going to be boiling this for about 12 to 15 minutes. You don't allow your snail to get overboiled. If not, when you are eating it, it won't be crunchy. So our snail is boiled now. Like I said, it's not good I don't like boiling snail till it's very soft. I see some people cook and they will be adding snail to their soup from the beginning. So how I get the slime slimy, no, because there's no how you boil, you cook steak that you still not have that sliming effect. So I just put it in hot oil and take it out, not frying. Just put it in very hot oil and take it out immediately. With that, sliming it out entirely. Just do it. Immediately. Once your oil is hot, put it very tough to heat. But you don't want to fry. You don't want to take out the sliding permanently. Yeah, that's it. Now for onion, for the sauce of the snail, I like to have just long onion to fry the sauce. This quantity of oil is okay for the quantity of sauce that I'm making, but I don't want it to get too oily. You will agree with me that oil is not good for adults. It's too much of it rather. Adding pepper, blended pepper, tomato, bell pepper, and habanero blended with onion. I'm adding it to the caramelized onion in the oil. So I'm going to leave this to fry a little. My sauce is frying. So here I just use half spoon of processed ginger. I process this into powdery form. A bit of nutmeg. Bit of garlic, one whole spoon of granulated seasoning, a bit of curry, and for pepper snail I like to add black pepper, just like half spoon of half black pepper. Pepper is fried enough for you to add your snail. So you just add your snail. And you give it a good turn. Good mix. At this point I'm going to give it very low heat for the sauce for the snail to absorb the sauce. So it's on a very, very low heat now for it to cook well and to get the snail to absorb the sauce. Our pepper snail is doing very well in the very well in the sauce. As you can see. And that is it, viewers. All the ingredients are listed in the description box. I hope you try this at home. Don't forget to leave a comment to let me know how it goes. If you have any questions, leave a comment as well. Please feel free to let me know any recipe you want me to try out. There is always joy in learning. You can visit us at Heartitude Kitchen, aka Amala Connect, at Gwarimpa, 3rd Avenue, right behind Zenith Bank, or our Lugbe outlets, FHA Lugbe, before you get to Farm Milk. Amala connect to the rescue. Until next time when we see, I wish you all the best.